Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. This is Susan, the boss. Bob, my hubby, is at work, as usual. I know what this is because of tracking. I'm learning slowly but surely how things in this newfangled digital world works. Hi, Deuce McKenzie. So, you guys know that we received a gift card for $50. I can't remember exactly when, but quite recently. Hi, Deuce. You want to come say hi to everybody? And I'm dressed poorly. I'm vacuuming and cleaning house, and this just got delivered. Anyway, because of tracking, I know what it is. But we're going to open it with you guys anyway, because that's what we do over here. Through the generosity of someone who refers to themselves as the furry feline community. But I'm pretty sure I know who it is that sends the gift card. Anyway, all right. Our pretty Paddy patches. Our kitty with the nervous tummy that I've asked for the special food for if anybody's interested in purchasing that, if it's still available on Amazon or anywhere else you can get it and send it, you know. Anyway, she has become a little more nervous in her habits of late. She stopped using the scratch poles. And I noticed several days ago, I don't know if you can see it without me showing you how awful I look, but several days ago, right in here, I noticed little tufts of carpet. Little tufts of carpet. And then, no, it would have been about a week ago, because what's in that box, I ordered using part of the balance on the gift card. And I'm hoping. I have more of these. Oops. Sorry. Yep. I have more of these on the Amazon gift list if anyone is interested in going over and taking a peek at that. But what this is a scratching mat. These, of course, are, double-sided adhesive. If I were going to attach it to, I don't know. But I think what I'm hoping for is rather obvious. Hi, Willow. Okay. It's like a rug, but it's a scratching pad. And I'm going to put it over here on the carpet. Maybe if I cover up myself with so we can see Willow for a second. There she is. Anyway, get it flattened out. It's holding its curl because it's... But I'm hoping by placing the scratch pad on this area of the carpet where, back to what I was saying, sorry for the digression. Okay. Today is what? Thursday? Okay. So it would have been Sunday, I believe. I walked in and she was actually scratching on the carpet over here. So I ordered this the next day. As I was saying, there are more of them on the Amazon wish list. If anyone would care to go over and take a look, and if you can, you know, I could use a couple of more of these. I think would be really good. If Paddy Patches is going to begin this habit of scratching on carpet, I'm going to have to do something about that. So I'm hoping this is the remedy. Now, regarding the Amazon wish list, as always, food for the cats is absolutely and always the most important thing. If you are one who is in a position who can help us with the 22 rescue cats that we are currently taking care of, it would really, and if you had to, what's the word I'm looking for? If you had to set priorities, if you're one that's like, you know what, I can help them with these cats that they've rescued, but maybe you need to choose. Please choose food first. I just opened the last bag of dry cat food last night. Of course, Bob can. We can. It's not, the cats aren't going to starve, okay? Please don't take it that way. I'm just bringing you up to date on status of what you guys have done for us, okay? Or for them. I say them because Willow's right here. There's her ear. Come here. Come here. Anyway, sorry. Back to what I was saying. Last night I opened the last bag of dry food. And night before last, removed the wrapping from the last case of pate, the wet food. Now, they like any wet food, okay? It's just that I find from an economic standpoint, you get more per can if it's pate. And each of the 22 cats gets about a tablespoon of wet food on top of their dry food every morning only. We're pretty good on the temptations. I think I still have 3 unopened 16-ounce containers. So anyway, that's the update on the food situation for the cats. That's the priority. And these. And so. Oh, goodness me. So, we'll put it right here. Let it relax. I honestly thought it was bigger. I wish it were bigger. I wish it were huge. But I'm going to put it right in the spot where she was pulling at the carpet the other evening. And, gosh almighty. Thank you, everyone. Every single one of you. Thank you for viewing. If you haven't subbed, please consider doing so. If you do sub, might as well go ahead and hit the all notifications bell. And share us on appropriate social media platforms. We are a grassroots, organic channel, just an old couple who inadvertently and didn't really mean to become cat rescuers, but did. So it's just me and old the boss, and no, you can't have plastic, and the kitties, and well, we want the channel to grow. I haven't said this in a while, so I want to say it as a reminder in case you're a new subscriber, someone who's joined watching us since I've said it before. We have a goal for this channel. I need enough watch hours and I need enough subs to monetize the channel, then have memberships and merch. And all 100% of all the proceeds, once we reach that goal, will go to and for on behalf of the rescue cats. Okay? So, in the meantime, while we're working toward that, share us out with your friends, your vet, anybody you know, somebody you meet at the grocery store walking down aisle 9. And help us grow, okay? All right, then. Thank you for watching. As always, we appreciate you. And please come back and see us again. This has been Susan with Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. And Willow getting in the box. Oh my goodness. What would a video be on Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction without Willow? All right, thank you all so very much again for watching. Like, sub, share, help us grow. And if you can, we could use dry food and wet food. Thank you. We love you. Bye-bye.